If you release the code, you own it. Hi friends, I'm Chris, the coding guy. Vibe coding and AI assistants do not absolve you of responsibility. So when you release code, ultimately the code that is pushed out to the wild, whether you wrote it or the AI wrote it, you're the one that chose to release it. That means that you're the one that gets to actually take the blame. So with that said, then we need to reframe how we think about AI. AI is not going to build software for you. It's not going to be a replacement for a developer, because ultimately there is still some responsibility somewhere in the chain as far as who actually wrote / released this code. So let's talk about what AI can actually do for you. It's a tool. It's in your arsenal as a tool, but it's not everything. You cannot go and blame a machine for poor choices that were made. You can't blame a machine for design decisions that were made. Ultimately, you can't blame a machine for things that a human has to make a decision about. This means that you're responsible for things like security concerns, API service design, system design, other kinds of intermediate choices, be it the protocol that you use to communicate over the network or whatever. These are all things that an AI can't ultimately do for you and be reliable about it. It isn't deterministic, so knowing what's going to come out is not possible until it actually comes out, which means that you actually have to make the decisions as to whether this is the right thing or the wrong thing for the project you're working on. So when you're working with either vibe coding or just an AI assistant, remember that what comes out is ultimately going to be your responsibility, and it's going to be something that you're going to have to own and you're going to have to speak to. And those design decisions are going to ultimately be things that you're going to have to let your team know about. So until next time, keep coding.